How to delete all chats in Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. You'll land to the chat section. Now in this page, you're gonna find all the conversations. Head towards any of the chat that you wanna delete. After you choose the chat that you wanna delete, swipe to the left. You're gonna find the option of Archive and More. Click on the option of More. Click on Delete. Delete this entire conversation. Click on Delete. With that, the conversation will be deleted. Likewise, by applying the same process, you can delete other conversations as well. In the case you want to delete all the conversation at once, that option is not available in the Facebook yet. But what you can do is request Facebook support team. So close this. Now launch your Facebook app. Navigate to the menu page. Once you are in the menu page, scroll down. Here towards the option of Help and Support. Click on the option of Report a Problem. Then click on Continue to Report. Click on Include. From here, select the option of Messages. Now here you have to describe that you want to delete all the chats in Messenger and then send it. Within 24 hours, you will get the reply from Facebook support team, and then you can have the conversation with it and request it to delete all the chats in Messenger. With that, all the chats might be deleted. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can delete all chats in Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.